Welcome back to the channel. Today, I have a very special and somewhat creepy project. This revenge car, a block of steel covered in spider webs, with sharp teeth and bizarre mechanical spider legs. In today's ASMR video, we'll be freeing, grinding, and reviving this testicle to its original glory.
God, this thing is heavier than it looks. Be careful, it's reacting.
All right, just a little tighter. This new tire looks good, boss. Yeah, he needs all the grip he can get. Almost there. Careful. Just watch me. There, got that blasted module. Look at this corrosion.
Things were actually worse than I imagined. This rust had seeped deep into the Mack's bones, and those mechanical spider legs seemed to cling to the chassis like a living thing. But nothing is beyond saving. Now, we're entering the most crucial phase, awakening the monster. The grinding noise will replace the silence of the old car graveyard, and welding sparks will rekindle hope for this giant.
See it? Right there.
Caked solid.
Won't start.
The patch is holding fast. Thank you for helping me, friend. Just doing my...
Keep steady, almost through. It's fighting back. Just need to sever this curse.
Almost done, you big brute. Hey, you calling me a brute? Only with... Concentrate on that axle, don't worry about the rest. Keep it steady, watch the eye. Almost there, mind the teeth.
After hours of battling iron, steel, and welding fire, the form of a legend has truly returned. But the real beauty lies in the final details. Now it's time to dress Mack in a new coat, a vibrant red paint job and sharp gold pinstripes. True to the spirit of the Rusty's racing team, each of the previously rusty iron teeth has been transformed into gleaming chrome details. And the bizarre spider legs have been tamed into a mechanical masterpiece.
Now for the engine. All right, just a little more grime here. Got to make sure the new wheel is spotless. Looking good. New color is going to hide a lot of the rust. We'll see how it holds up on the road.
Once the outer shell is clean and polished, we begin to reach the soul of the Mack. You see, this engine has lain dormant for far too long under layers of mud and dried oil. Each stubborn, rusty bolt will have to give way to gleaming stainless steel components. The clicking of wrenches and the sounds of reassembling the drivetrain. That's the rhythmic beating of a mechanical heart starting again. Everything gradually becomes smoother. Gone is the roughness of time, replaced by the absolute precision of engineering. so. The journey to revive the cursed Mack truck has officially come to an end. From a haunting pile of rusty scrap metal in a junkyard, this giant has been completely transformed into a dazzling and powerful 4K masterpiece. Looking at the LED lights reflecting off the glossy paint, I know that the $500 and hundreds of hours of work were absolutely worth it. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next projects. See you in the next videos.